In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to hide your menu bar and toolbar with this trick here in Google Sheets. So let's just say you want to view your spreadsheet without the distraction of the menu bar, which is right here, and all of these right here, and your toolbar. So how do we hide both of these? Well, first, if you just want to try and hide your menu bar, you can just click on this one right here, where it will say hide the menus. You also have your keyboard shortcut there. If we click on it, we've completely hidden our menu bar, but we still see our toolbar right here. So what do we do to hide both menu bar and toolbar? Well, all you have to do would be to go to view right here in the menu bar and select full screen. If we click on this is what it's going to look like. So now we have a full view of our spreadsheet without the distraction of our toolbar and our menu bar. And there you have it. Well, here's a little bonus tip. If you also want to not see your formula bar right here, what you can do is this keyboard shortcut, which is Control-Shift and U. So not only have we hidden our menu bar and our toolbar, we've also hidden our formula bar from our spreadsheet. And there you have it. So if you just want to go back to normal, have a view of everything else, just press an escape on your keyboard, and here we have everything back. Except for our formula bar, of course. If you want to return that, just press on the same keys, Control-Shift-U, and here we have it. And that's how you can hide your menu bar and your toolbar with this trick here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.